Hey friends, it is me, HLModTech, and you may have noticed I've started to branch out. I am doing a little bit of a puppy vlog where I'm taking my puppy on cool trips, and I'm trying to up the ante with my video quality. So I've got a sweet tripod, pretty light aluminum, but it had this crazy heavy tripod mount that was just a bear to work with. So I tracked down a new one from Kingjoy. It is a professional mount, unbelievably light, super simple to attach. Simply attaches right on top just like the old one was. Alrighty friends, so this is completely adjustable. You can add tension or decrease tension with just simply adjusting the dials. You can lock it in place or make it so that it moves smoothly in any direction. The mount is super easy to remove. It's got a nice safety clip to keep it attached to your device. One of my favorite things is that you can just flip this up and tighten it without having to track down a screwdriver. It's got a nice locking pin so that when you lock it in, you know you've got it in there nice and tight. And then I'm going to give it a little press so that I can push this back in place and lock my phone in, or my camera, whichever I'm using for that time of recording. Simple as can be. As an added bonus, it is so light I can even put it on my ultralight tripod. That also works as a selfie stick, although there's no chance I'd use the head when I was using it as a selfie stick. Let's loosen this, pop it up, extend it up. Alright friends, this thing is so light that it'll actually function on my cool selfie stick combo that I've got. I'll tighten this one in place. Got my GoPro mounted, and another nice thing is this handle is totally adjustable, so you can find the spot where you want it, then lock it in, and check it out. With just a little bit of stabilization, I can be getting sweet fluid recordings using my GoPro, a selfie stick, and this sweet fluid head. Totally adjustable, totally awesome. So my friends, you can find this on Amazon for under 40 bucks. I will put a link in the description so you can track it down. If you found the video useful, please hit that like button. If you've got a question, comment, or a suggestion, add it down below. If you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Smash that subscribe button. And last but not least, hit the notification bell if you want to be the first to know when there's a brand new movie from me, HLModTech. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.